The Thames Barrier is a retractable barrier system that is designed to prevent the floodplain of most of Greater London from being flooded by exceptionally high tides and storm surges moving up from the North Sea. It has been operational since 1982. When needed, it is closed during high tide. At low tide, it can be opened to restore the river's flow towards the sea. Built approximately 3 kilometers east of the Isle of Dogs, its northern bank is in Silvertown in the London Borough of Newham, and its southern bank is in the New Charlton area of the Royal Borough of Greenwich. Flooding in London has been a problem since the city was first established in Roman times. In 1954, the Waverley Committee, established to investigate the serious North Sea flood of 1953 which affected parts of the Thames estuary and parts of London, recommended that as an alternative to raising the banks, the possibility and cost of erecting a structure across the Thames which could be closed in a surge should be urgently investigated. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.